Hi everyone, welcome to interviewing. My name is Melissa Johnston and I will be your instructor for the next 7 weeks. I just wanted to take a couple of minutes to welcome you guys to the class and tell you a little bit about myself and how to navigate through our Blackboard site. So welcome to interviewing. I think you will find that this is a very practical, very skills-based course that will introduce you to everything you ever wanted to know about asking and answering questions, making interview agendas, how to do that job interview, things of that nature. We're also going to do some self-analysis and kind of explore ourselves and your goals and what you want to accomplish either while you're in college or once you leave college, because that's a huge part of understanding how to answer questions about yourself. So this class is very hands-on, it's very skills-based. I think you will find that you're going to learn some things that maybe will apply to all areas of your life, because after all, we're constantly asking questions of other people. I've been teaching this course for about 3 years now, and I actually have a lot of practical experience with interviewing. After getting my undergraduate degree and graduate degree in speech communication, which is our old name, we're now Applied Communication Studies. After receiving those degrees, I taught in the department for a couple of years. I taught the basic course. And then I was an associate developer at Axiom, where I worked with associates, I worked with leaders on coaching and training, did a lot of hiring of new employees, that whole process. Then I went to work for UAMS, where I was the organizational development director. And during that time, I was able to kind of revise our hiring process and look at the way that we interview people. I had a huge part of redoing our new employee orientation and all of those things, as well as training and coaching and leadership development and things like that as well. And I really enjoyed working in both of those environments. I like the corporate environment, especially if it's a corporation like UAMS that's really working towards something even greater than just the corporate mission, but it's about people. I really enjoy that. But what I really, really like to do is teach. I love being in the classroom. So about 7 years ago, I came back to teaching. Since then, I've had the opportunity to teach this course, interpersonal. I also direct our internship program. So lots of fun things that I get to do in the department. But I like teaching this class because this is a very practical class. Like I said, it's very hands-on. It's very skills-based. You're going to learn things that you can use every day, through this course. So I really enjoy that, and I enjoy connecting with students of all different kinds of backgrounds and interests. That's one of the things I like most, is really getting to know my students. I do have 3 kids, and I am married. My kids are in the 1st grade, 3rd grade, and the 7th grade, so they keep me very busy. And pretty much hobbies include anything they're involved in. So baseball, tennis, karate, I guess those have become my hobbies now, which is just fine. But I think you're really going to enjoy this class, and I do look forward, to getting to know you as we go through the course. It is 7 weeks, which is not very long, so it's going to move very fast. So it is important that you keep up. I try to only schedule work that is necessary. I don't like busy work. So the work that you'll find that we'll be doing will all be working towards something bigger, a bigger project, the end of the semester project, things of that nature. So let me take a second and just kind of show you our Blackboard site. This is the menu that we'll be using this semester. And you'll see there's a link here for the home page, which is the page that's up now. I post announcements, sometimes daily, so be sure to check those. Also, these are the first 2 weeks of assignments. Those are up now, and if you click on them, hopefully, there we go, you see we have a self-intro speech due. It's one of the first assignments that we have due. It's due on January 19th, and it will show you how to upload videos and things of that nature. Just a little speech about yourself. Nothing too stressful. And then week 2, we get into the content, and you can see that there are a couple of things that'll be due on those days. This is the link for the syllabus and schedule, and I will have separate videos for those that will explain both of those. I do have messages available for you so that you can email one another, but if you'd like to contact me, please use my UALR email address directly. mhjohnston@ualr.edu. Please don't email me through the messages in Blackboard because I don't check those. But I do leave this open for you guys so that you can contact one another. And then you'll have an opportunity to check your grades. Those are updated on a regular basis. I try really hard to, within 3 days of an assignment, have things posted because I know people don't like to wait around on their grades. So I try to keep up with that. But pretty much the way it works, every week we'll have a link, and in that link you'll have the assignments that are due that week. You complete those and you're good to go. I'll have lots of videos posted. I like to do videos, sorry in advance, but I like to talk more than I like to write. So you might get feedback videos on assignments rather than written work on assignments. So just keep up with the videos, keep up with the weekly assignments. If at any time you have any questions, please don't hesitate to ask. I can't help you if I don't know that you're struggling. So please take the opportunity to definitely seek me out. I'm happy to meet with you in person, happy to meet over Skype or Google Hangout. Whatever works for you, I'm happy to do that. I just want you to have a great 7 weeks. I want you to leave the 7 weeks with some new understanding of communication as it applies to interviewing, and I want you to have a good time. I want you to enjoy these assignments and really think about them and see how they can impact your life. So that's all for this video. If you will go to the syllabus and schedule link, then you will find more information about the class. Thanks so much. Goodbye.